Hey guys, Curlychaotic, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, short series product review, getting straight to the point. I'm going to be reviewing Camille Rose Coconut Water, other new product, which is the Hydrating Elixir. It comes in an 8 fluid ounce spray bottle. Here's the nozzle right here, and we're going to jump right into it. So first things first, I paid $11 for this product on her website. She dropped it a couple weeks ago after the BeautyCon event in LA, and one of my friends was also into hair products. She was the one that told me about it. So I've been like eyeballing it and just making sure that I don't miss it. And it's actually ironic because for this entire last month and a half, I've been using the coconut water, original products consistently because it's been, working wonders for my hair for the summer months, and it's really, really hydrating. So this whole line's focused on maximum hydration, which is, moisture. So I'm going to read the directions. Keep hair silky smooth and free of frizz on wet or dry strands. Section curls and apply our hydrating recipe for added moisture. Apply throughout the day as needed for maximum hydration. So typically I would use products like this to refresh my hair. I use this. This is actually the result of using this. What I did was last week I used the co-wash, and I would post that review down below. And basically I said when my hair starts getting dry and old, I'm gonna just start over and do another style or whatever before I wash my hair. So this is pretty much what I use, and my hair, I don't know if it looks moisturized in the video, but it definitely feels moisturized. So it did what it was supposed to do. Now, the pros for me, I love the scent of this coconut water line, and it did moisturize my hair. The only cons I can say for this product, and I'm not gonna say it's just for Camille Rose, this goes for other products or brands. This particular spray nozzle, it's like a hit or miss, because sometimes depending on the product, most of the time it's gonna be liquidy water-based products. And not to say this product doesn't have water, but it's clearly a thicker consistency. You don't hear the liquid shaking around, so it's really thick. When you're spraying it in your hair, it either comes out like a line or it comes out as a mist. So I don't think this was the perfect top to put on this type of product. However, a quick easy fix is to just spray it in your hands, massage it into your strands, and boom, you're good to go. I don't know if that's a pro or con for anybody else, but that's the only downside I have to this product. Will I ever purchase this product again? I will, because I do like this line. However, to me, usually when I refresh my hair, I would always look for some type of spray, mist, or like a light leave-in. I feel like this is how I would use her leave-in conditioner. So if I didn't have the leave-in conditioner, I would go for this. But if I had to choose of her two products, one of the two, I would probably get the co-wash over this, because I have a product that is similar, that I use similar to this one. But it's not to knock the product, I do like it. And if it was easily accessible, like if I'm able to find this at a Target, and if one of the two is missing out of this little leave-in, then yeah, I would definitely cop it again. But other than that, that's not a bad thing. It was a good product, and I don't know how long the moisture is gonna last, but right now my hair feels damn good. So that's all I have. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, definitely leave it down in the comments below. I'm very active down there, and definitely stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you.